First, apply brake dust cleaner to the face of the wheel and inside the actual wheel barrel. Second, apply degreaser FX to your tyres, and then apply inside the wheel well. So this will break down dirt and contamination. Now you can see that the brake dust cleaner is reacting. Use a wheel brush to clean the lug nuts. This will give the product appropriate working time to break down any contamination. An additional step is to use a detailing brush to go over any crevices around the wheels or any tight places that may need extra agitation. The next step is to get your wash sponge and just to clean inside the actual wheel wells, removing any of the dirt broken down from degreaser FX. Now that the product has break down the brake dust, it is time to rinse off. As you can see, the degreaser FX has brought out the embedded dirt into the rubber, and the brake dust cleaner has actually dissolved all the brake dust and iron contamination on the face of the wheel and inside the wheel barrel. The next step is to clean from the wheel barrels out. That way you're bringing the dirt from the back of the wheel to the front. And then you'll follow up with washing the wheel face. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you wash your wheels correctly with the products as directed from Osren, Australia.